Barbados, Reggae on the Hill, April 30th, performance live, Alkaline.
If you don't see a Kiwi, aka Barbados seat, I'm a represent for Mistress and Mr. Gold. You know anything we touch golden. Quello.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and as promised, I said I owe you guys a vlog since I haven't been able to go live in the last few weeks. So first of all, I would like to big up everyone that continues to support our channel. The other day, we had to go on a Wednesday live because we had a special interview with Len Hammond. Please check that out if you haven't checked that out yet. But big up to Lee Miller for understanding. But those who did support that live, thank you very, very much. That was a legendary live, and we plan to have him back again in the future once he puts out some new music. I also want to big up to One to the Brain. I know he's my partner in crime, my co-host, and I haven't been able to go live lately. So big up, bro. Hopefully we'll go live soon. So for those that haven't known where I've been striking. I'm work with the federal government, which some of our viewers know, and we are striking. Over 150,000 of us are striking all across Canada, and I am involved in my union. I'm a vice president, so you don't know, I have to get active. I have to be doing my thing out there. So please show your support for your federal worker, those who are in Canada and anywhere around the world. When we win our proposals during a strike, it becomes the new laws for those in the private sector. So for instance, we're the ones who led the way when it came to maternity leave and sick days. You know, in Canada, we have like 2 years maternity leave. You can thank your public servants for that. All right. So just hang on tight. Your services are still going on. Don't believe the hype. We're just looking for fair wages because we need to be at par with the rest of our fellow workers in the city and the province.
Fully Gold from Mrs. Gold channel and Mr. Gold channel. Run things.
Just a reminder, we are fully active on TikTok all the time. Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. It's just because TikTok is just easier to edit and get things out. But since the strike, I've only been doing it once a week, but I usually do it every couple of days. So check us out on TikTok, and we are also on Instagram and Facebook as well under Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube. Thank you. So we just wanted to say before we started with our Alkaline news update, the Dancehall artist Mavado'S,
I just want to tell you this.
Dante Brooks, a happy birthday this week on April 19th. So shout out from Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel to you, Dante, and just stay strong. Maka Diamond, you know, our Vendetta Queen, she said happy birthday, got a God on the post as well. And other people like Sponge Music, big up Sponge Music, said, blessed strong, UG Gully, Freedom Street, period, right? And another person wrote, happy Earth strong, Young G, God timing is more important. Right? So, you know, they talk about in Dancehall Mike what happened to Dante, and we're not going to shed no highlight on that. All we're going to do is mention this vow that Mavado has kept since time. I promise to fight for the lives of these two innocent youths. It's like my son was found guilty before the child. But I'm going to point out everything and the injustice one day at a time. Prayers up. We're all here for you. Okay, guys, so my Vendetta fans and our new viewers, as you guys might know, Alkaline is performing tonight, April 30th, 2023, in Barbados. But of course, since we haven't been live for a long time, you guys probably are missing out on some information about this whole festival other than just the flyer. So you don't know, we're here to give you some information and give you some highlights that Alkaline got in various articles. So now this is a huge event, and for 4 years it was on hiatus, which means it was on hold due to COVID, right? So this is one of Barbados' biggest festivals, especially when it comes to reggae. There's actually 3 events that include international and regional acts, including Grammy Award artist Third World, Maxi Priest, Flower Gun, Fab Five, that's my mom's people right there, Anthony B, Spraga Benz, Alkaline, our boy, Christopher Martin, Turbulence, Joshi, Mad Kroba, Louis Culture, and Brian Messi and Sosa. So as you can see, there is a diverse number of artists that are going to be on this, which is amazing for Alkaline, because then we're going to get different genres, a different audience, different age groups going to be able to get Alkaline exposed to this target market. So it is just an absolute great opportunity for Alkaline to be a part of this show. Now, they also have a bunch of local acts from Barbados that will be joining this lineup as well, which is pretty cool. So it's a good mix. And they also noted that people who had the 2020 tickets that they weren't able to use are able to use it today for the 2023 event, which I thought was so cool. So if you have any of those old tickets, make sure you go and check out the box office set up at Kensington Oval, room 504, okay? So this is going to be amazing. It's important to note that only the 2023 tickets will be available at the door. So anyone with the old tickets, definitely check out the Kensington Oval room. Okay, so another recent article that was out on April 28th, it's from the Toronto Star, and it says Alkaline brings new wave to Caribbean. International dancehall artist superstar Alkaline is set to ignite the Reggae on the Hill Festival in Barbados this weekend. The artist will close out the weekend celebrations, which is held at Fairley Hill National Park. He will perform on Sunday. The 3-day festival will also feature performances from Spraga Benz, Anthony B, Joshi, Christopher Martin, and Turbulence. Alkaline's trot to Barbados is the first in a series of Caribbean stops that has been programmed for the champion hitmaker. The trendsetter entertainer is slated to be in Guyana on May 27th, which is their Independence weekend. So that will be a nice, fun weekend. The weekend celebration will see the artist headlining a mega dancehall concert titled Badoration. Alkaline has also been booked to perform at the Chatterbox Festival in Antigua, which is widely known for its traveling Juve brand and past executions to much fanfare. So Juve is a soca thing, you know, like the night before carnival. If I'm right, if I'm incorrect, please correct me below, my islanders. But it's, again, another good way for Alkaline to be exposed to other genres and other people. So it's so amazing. So let's read another article on Alkaline that was out a few days ago. On April the 25th, 2023 in Caribbean Life. Since the announcement of Givenchy and Alkaline's Spring-Summer 2023 global campaigns, fans of the artist and renowned fashion house have been busy acquiring the icon signature pieces of Givenchy. With some of the iconic pieces already sold out, this is the ones that Alkaline has modeled in, and waiting to be restocked, Alkaline has been actively releasing a slew of new music ahead of his usual busy summer-fall schedule. And if you guys check out our shorts, you'll see that we have some of his tours there. Shazar said that the past 2 months, Alkaline has released the singles Motivation, Boss, Mad Love, and Grip. Oh my God, all wicked tunes that I done some reviews on my lives. Motivation, guys, I just love this tune. Haven't been able to do an official review, but I know a lot of people have. But the most important thing with me and Motivation, that it came out when our strike started. So I think it's like Alkaline was talking to us, and I really love the fact that came out when us federal workers are on strike. So thank you, Alkaline, for that. All these songs have accumulated millions of views on across all streaming platforms. 2 of the latest tracks, Motivation and Boss, produced by Autobomb and Sartout Records. Big up Sartout Records all the time. Continue to solidify his meteoric rise and place at the genre's helm, Shazar said, sticking to his iconic riffs, creative flow, and comedic persona. Alkaline lays his bare his artistry and his masterful narrative moments in his decade-spanning career while motivating his audience. Karina Beckford, Alkaline's manager slash sister, said the team is looking forward to upcoming tours, specifically in the Caribbean. And you guys remember, we did do a vote long time ago, a poll, where do we think Alkaline will be taking his tours? And we did also mention the Caribbean. So much is happening and we can't wait to share it with fans, she said. It will be a Da Vinci kind of summer. Woo! Looking forward to that. So look out and purchase while stocks last. The focus is always attaining, achieving, and prevailing. It's a new wave. A big up, nice article.
28 days until the best dance hall concert in Guyana.
This last article was in a Dancehall mag. Alkaline Jada Kingdom for Badoration concert in Guyana, dated April 24th. So let's read the important parts. Jamaican artists Alkaline and Jada Kingdom have confirmed for the Badoration Dancehall mega concert on May 27th in Guyana for St. Kitts and Nevis based singer Byron Messiah will also perform at the event. So just to briefly run through this, they said that this is 1 year after Skeng's headline controversy performance. Remember, they didn't like when Skeng was down there? That left grave concerns about the safety of Guyanese national and patriots recklessly fired gunshot in the air and threw bottles. Oh boy. Then there was a directive was issued by the Guyana's Minister of Homes and Affairs, Robinson Ben Baring, the London DJ, and any other dancehall artist whose lyrically content promoted violence from performing publicly in the country. So what does this say? Well, this says that Alkaline is definitely respected by the minister and other officials in the country to know he delivers positive content and good content, because Alkaline has a diverse catalog as well as Jada Kingdom that they can alter their show to gear to this type of an audience while also making the government official happy. So then it continues to say, over the coming months, Alkaline will make several other appearances across the Caribbean, including Barbados for the Reggae on the Hill Festival, the island's yearly event that was postponed due to the pandemic, which we already read about. Alkaline will also be in Antigua for Chatterbox Festival. Ooh, that's going to be so exciting. And the festival will be held on June 17th, 2023. And then it mentions in the article about him releasing Motivation, Boss, Mad Love, and Grip. So that was a great article, guys. And as you guys know, New Rules is coming to New York City. So as time goes, we will definitely give you guys more information. I definitely just don't feel comfortable putting out information until it's officially out by the team. So when it's officially out by the team and we have all the information, I will definitely be giving you guys more details on the event. In the meantime, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any vlogs or lives that we have. And thank you very much. Bless up and stay blessed.
Short nights, I will not sleep and what? And we not apologize them, cause I said it